Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. My name is Mr. Mohamed Eljaroshi. Today we're going to talk about Unit 5, Lesson 3, Working Out Meanings. Question A. Read the text about dictionaries, then answer the questions below or that follow. Let's look at the dictionary tips. We need dictionaries to find the meanings of words and to check their spelling. Remember, tip number 1. All the words in the dictionary are in alphabetical order. To find a word quickly, you need to know the alphabet very well. Tip number 2. It is also important to know the meanings of the abbreviations below. As you can see here, N means what? Very good. Noun. V, verb. ADJ, adjective. Adverb. Pronoun. Preposition. Conjunction. Very good. Tip number 3. A word can have more than one meaning, and you will find all of them in a dictionary. It is important to choose the correct meaning. Now let's move on to these questions. Who can put these words into alphabetical order? The fastest. Now, as you can see in the box, we have 12 words. All of them start with B. I need you to stop the video and put them in alphabetical order. You can use numbers and then come back and check. Now let's check. Which word is number 1? Very good. Bag. Number 2. Good job. Built. And number 3. Good. Better. Number 4. Good job. Bicycle. Number 5. Good job. Blue. Number 6. Very good. Book. And number 7. Very good. Box. Number 8. Good job. Boy. Number 9. Very good. Bright. And number 10. Very good. Build. 11. Very good. Bus. And the last one. Good job. But. Now, question 2. Work out what the abbreviations mean. Then find an example of each in this sentence. As you can see this sentence, the black horse ran fast, so it won the race easily. You can use these abbreviations and put them on each word, this sentence. You can stop the video to do this and then come back and check. Now let's check. As we can see here, the word "the", we don't have the abbreviation of it, but "the" is an article, so I'm gonna write ART here, okay? Show that it's an article. Black is what? Very good. Adjective. Horse is what? Good job. Noun. Run is what? Good job. Verb. Fast. Very good. Adverb. So. Good job. Conjunction. It. Very good. Pronoun. One. Very good. Verb. And as we said that "the" is an article. Race. Very good. Noun. Easily. Good job. Adverb. As you can see, each part of a sentence is a part of speech. So we have to know these abbreviations and their meanings and the words that they represent. Now let's move on to question B. Question B. Read this dictionary entry. Find the correct definition for bank. In each of the sentences A, B, C, and D, is it a noun or a verb? Now, as you can see here, we have bank, the noun, and bank, the verb. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to put them in these boxes. Each one of these sentences mean one of these numbers. You can stop the video, answer them, and come back and check. Now, let's check. A. He sat on the grassy bank and put his feet in the water. Which of these is the right answer? Very good. Number 3. So we put number 3 here. A piece of ground next to a river. Because it's grassy, so it's next to a river. It's not sand or rock or next to a sea. Very good. Now B. The plane banked to the left as it got near the airport. The meaning of word banked here, it's a verb. So it's one of these. Very good. So it's number 6. To turn a plane left or right. Very good. C. He wanted to see better, so he walked to the top of the bank. Which one is it? Very good. A piece of ground higher than the ground. Very good. So C, number 2. And the last one, she banks her money twice a week. So banks here is a verb. And it means, very good, to keep money in or put money into. Good job. Number 5. Now question C. Now do exercises A to E on page 52, 53, and 54 of the workbook. Let's move on and check the workbook. The workbook, Unit 5, Lesson 3. Working out meanings. Question A. Write these words in the correct places in the table. As you can see here, we have a box that has a number of words. 15 words. So 5 for each column. In each column we have a part of speech. We have conjunction, preposition, pronoun. You can stop the video, take these words and put them in their correct place. Now, let's check. Conjunctions. Very good. Or, and, but, so, when. Very good. Preposition. Very good. Across, under, above, in, at. Good job. Pronoun, she, me, them, him, and the last one is you. Very good. Now, let's move on to the next question. Question B. Read the sentences. What part of speech is each word? Write an abbreviation or write the abbreviations. As you can see here, we have a box filled with abbreviations. We have verb, noun, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, pronoun. And we have 3 sentences. For each sentences, we have to say what is the word. You can stop the video, answer this question, and then come back and check. Now, let's check. Russia is what? Very good. Now, works. Verb, good job. At, preposition, good. Home, good job. Noun. On, very good. Preposition. And the last one, Fridays, good job. Noun. Sentence B. I was tired, so I walked home slowly. I, good job. Pronoun. Was, very good. Verb. Tired, good job. Adjective. So, very good. Conjunction. I, very good. Pronoun. Walked, good job. Verb. Home, very good. Noun. And the last one, slowly. Slowly. What do you think slowly is? Very good. Slowly is an adverb. Very good. And the last sentence is, Sammy's new motorbike goes fast. Sammy's new motorbike goes fast. Sammy, very good. Noun. New, good job. Adjective. Motorbike, good job. Noun. Goes, very good. Verb. Fast, excellent. Adverb. As you can see here, we use an abbreviation for each part of speech. Very good. Now let's move on to question C. Question C. Read the dictionary entry and write sentences, follow the instructions. Example. Noun, entry 3. Bees keep their honey in a comb. In this dictionary paper, we have the meaning of the word comb. We have it as a noun and as a verb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We need the verb entry 4, and we need the noun entry 1. You have to write them here. You can stop the video to answer this question and then come back and check. Now let's check. For number 1, verb entry 4. Verb entry 4. To make your hair untidy. We can say, your hair is untidy. You should comb it. Very good. For number 2, noun entry 1. A thing with teeth used to keep your hair tidy. You can say, can you lend me your or a comb, please? I've lost mine, for example. Very good. Now, let's move on to question D. Study the reading tip below and learn how to work out meanings. What is a Chesterfield? Reading tip: understanding the meaning of new words. Sometimes you don't need a dictionary. You can work out the meanings of a word by looking for clues in the same sentence or in other sentences. let's look at the examples. Number 1. We have a Chesterfield. Now from this sentence, you will think or you will guess that a Chesterfield might be a cat. It's possible. Might be a plant, a kind of plant. It's possible too. And might be a piece of furniture. It's possible. Because in this sentence, there's no clue for what's a Chesterfield. In the second sentence, we have a green Chesterfield. So the word green here helped you a little bit. So it's impossible that Chesterfield is a cat. It might be a plant, it might be a furniture. And then in the last sentence, we have a green Chesterfield that is very comfortable to sit on. In this sentence, green and comfortable to sit on helped you with the meaning. So you can find out the meaning of some words by reading the whole sentence and by understanding the words around it. Now, it's impossible that it's a cat. You can't sit on a cat. You can't sit on a plant. The correct answer is a piece of furniture. Very good. Now, let's look at question E. Read each sentence, circle the word that means the same as the underlined word. You can stop the video and answer them and then come back and check. Now let's check. Number 1. Noura was depressed because her best friend was in hospital. Which one do you think it is? Very good. Depressed means sad. Good job. Number 2. Jamal galloped along the street and was the first of the family to reach home. So, which one do you think it is? Very good. Ran. The last one, Nadia is a cautious girl. She always looks left and right before crossing the street. Which one do you think it is? Very good. Careful. Good job. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.